Proof of conservation of linear momentum. Let us suppose two bodies, say this is body A having mass m1 and initial velocity e1, collides with the body B. This is the body B, mass m2, velocity u2. Now they remain in contact for certain time interval, after which they get separated after collision. Now during this collision, suppose the force exerted on A by the body B, the force exerted on A by the body B is FAB. This is the force on A, and force on B is FBA. This is the force exerted on the body B by A. Now they are equal and opposite, therefore these two forces are equal and opposite. So FAB equal to minus FBA. We know that force is mass into acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, T is time. So this is force, rate of change of momentum we say. So force into time is mv minus mu. V is final velocity, U is initial velocity. So therefore the change in momentum is the product of force and time. This is called impulse. So this is change in momentum. So in this case, the total change in momentum of the body A equal to the force experienced by the body A, that is force on A is the force exerted by B on A, this into time. Now the total change in momentum can be obtained by integrating this equation for the time interval up to which they remain in contact from T1 to T2. Similarly, the total change in momentum of the body B can be obtained by integrating the impulse equation, that is the force on B is the force exerted by A on B, this force, into the time interval T1 to T2 dt. Therefore the total change in momentum of AB is the change in momentum of A plus change in momentum of B. Now we know that these two forces are equal and opposite. Therefore if we put the value of this, suppose this is the change in momentum, so FAB can be written as minus FBA T1 to T2 dt. Now delta PA and delta PB, if they sum up, it becomes 0. Thus we conclude that the linear momentum, the total linear momentum of the system remains conserved, that is the change in linear momentum of the system is 0.